Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Daring Adventure. Today we are going to do a Tier 6 infestation, the Naviscan Corrections, which I believe is very probably in the Wasteland, since that's where most of our quests are these days. Oh yeah, see it's right here. That looks like the other town, which I haven't really explored. So we're going to do that, and what I want to do real quick, I just want to put away this bow, put away the explosive arrows. I think I put them away already. Yeah, I did. And then maybe I'll grab the pipe bombs because I want to save these. I'm gonna get around to making more of these, but I want to save them for the time being. Even though the explosive arrows would be pretty good to have for the prison. Now I'm kind of curious if I have any some iron to smelt, which I do. So I'm going to smelt some of that so I can make some steel arrowheads. And yeah, this one does have a crucible. I remember now. How many can we make? It's not very expensive to make steel arrowheads at all. But we'll grab that steel, put that in there. We have a decent steel collection going. And don't think no, I did not empty these out yet. So I'm going to bake these into some real waters. 6 here, 6 here. I'm sure that'll aggravate some screamers. And then I want to see, today is Trader Day, so I want to see about maybe checking the inventory. We don't have that much money right now, but let's just see what we can work towards here. If I can find my motorcycle. Oh wait, my motorcycle was in my bags. Whoops. Alright, Rex, show me what you got. What do you got? What I really want, I think I can pretty much make everything. I don't really need anything else from the traders anymore, but I wouldn't mind getting a Desert Vulture. Although,
You're getting on my nerves.
let's see what he has for maybe some Tier 6 infestations. We could probably pick up an extra one just to do. So you have Army Post 7. That's to the southeast. That's the... We did that one already, that Army Post 7 that's in the forest biome, so... And then this one looks like it's in the snow biome. Naviscan Athletics Complex could be a good one.
I got some shit work.
Grover High. Grover High is absolute chaos. It would be south of the burnt forest, so that is definitely an option.
Better take this job.
Poppin' Pills Factory, and then another Grover High. Let's get the Naviscan Athletics Complex. We're going to do the prison first, because the prison is a pretty decent POI. It's a fun infestation. Then I'm going to grab some ammo, grab a whole bunch of ammo, because Tier 6 infestations demand lots and lots of ammo to be used. Grab an extra stack of shotgun shells, and then how am I doing on medicine? Oh yeah, this is my medicine right here. Grab an extra bit of that. I don't feel like we really need recog. That's probably more reserved for the Grover Highs and the Army Post 7s. Which reminds me, we do have an extra point. I'm going to start putting into physician. We can pick up the motorcycle, and then we can start heading that way. Okay, let's do the thing. Ooh, huge light spike. I was expecting you to be a rat cop. Got explosives, home cooking. Get caught behind that door, except they might flank me. Now let's just let them out. Where are the other zombies? Oh, y'all decided to get caught on this door. Alright, wake up, please. Flake. Please. Don't think any of them are trying to flank me. Okay, we'll definitely want the shotgun for this pull. I know, drone. More loot bags. We got some books we already know. And more ammunition. Drink that. And a bottle of acid, which is always nice. Yeah, this is the one that's locked open. Draw them back here. I think I'm getting flanked. That's gonna summon a screamer. Ow. Oh, cheated. There's a lot of you out here. Okay, this barbed wire is really slowing me down. Let's get a first aid kit for that abrasion. In fact, how damaged are you? Not too damaged. Then let's get that other point into position. Y'all are sleepy over there. That's just a lot more. See if we can hold them off here.
Master, we are not alone.
Oh, my gun's reloaded. What I like about this POI is that it's surrounded by concrete walls, so you're not going to get many visitors poking around in here. Oh, we're almost maxed out on salvaging. Yeah, I don't remember. Does this trigger a bunch of zombies? Yes. How do I want to... Oh, you're just... Hey, let's just do the old runaround.
My senses have picked up something.
Standing on top of a car, what could go wrong? Hey, stop that. We have in the box. Let's see, the Magnum. Oh yeah, let's get rid of these books. Don't even need to read them. Ooh, some recog. I might want that. And then I'll drink that yucca juice. See what we can do with the melee.
Master, we are not alone.
Not much, as it turns out. Hey. I didn't see an animation for that. Getting a loot bag every zombie pull. Oh, there's just a dog here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we can just melee this one. Save a little bit on ammunition. Although even for a tier 6 infested, we're getting so much loot bags that ammo doesn't really seem to be an issue. See, another loot bag. More shotgun shells. Nice. Come on down. Nice. Okay, this pole is kind of a cluster. Mostly because of the dogs and the animals. Ow. Oh, and of course we aggro the outside birds because I take like 2 damage. They all want to swarm me. Ow. Birds are so annoying, they're the worst. Shoot. Damn pecker birds. I don't know where those other zombies are. We're just gonna continue wasting more 7.62. Oh, they already poked a hole in this. 2 holes. Even with all the health buffs and no points into fortitude whatsoever, still able to kill these zombies, radiated zombies, on insane difficulty. Okay, that's why these zombies are so behind. They're just regulars. This is insane difficulty, but we have it on default speeds. Ow. Just had to get a hit on him. Okay, this is another fun one. I think we'll just shotgun this one.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
Haha, you're locked up, Mel. That's a lot of green zombies. Aside from the last room, that's probably one of the worst pulls. Chicken soup. Another loot bag with more 9mm. How nice.
Incoming enemies. Prepare for conflict.
Oh, I aggroed these somehow. No, you can't get through. Another skill point. Let's get another physician. You know what? Let's try it out. We now have 20% extra chance to dismember with the comms. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, Bo. Ow. And then they spawn like this, right? Uh-oh. Not going in there. You guys are scary. I think that's it for this bottom room, right? There's a couple more in here.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
Oh, someone's alive here. Okay, he instantly died. That's a big pull right there. I think I pulled even more somehow. Even more loot bags. We've gotten like 12 loot bags this run. Oh, very funny. You're funny, bro. Another loot bag with some tools, digest, and even more ammunition. Okay, so the way I want to do this last pull is to approach it in reverse. Oh, I just remembered something. Yeah, this won't trigger unless I go, not a huge fan of this, but here we go. You have to go in the room. Okay, too many dogs, too many dogs. Alright, let me reset for a minute. Stupid dogs. Go away, Steve. Steve is a menace. You got caught on the fence somehow. Yes, blow that car up. Do it. But I don't think that kind of car blows up. Okay, he's dead. Not even a rat cop. Not even feral. Okay, they might blow that car up, so I better get away. Not too bad. It didn't take us too long to do all that. Okay, what do we get here? Security camera bundle. Oh, the Desert Vulture. That's what we want to see. Let's see. I think the Desert Vulture, if we wear that, it'll still give us the discount from the traders. So yeah, let's just carry that from now on. Lucky lockpick. Nice. A lot more ammo. Oh, steel club. And which one? Oh, finally, we got the Volume 6. We don't get weighed down by freaking armor anymore. At least only in combat. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a run of the gyrocopter. What do we get in the weapons bag? Stun baton, nice. Don't really need it, but still pretty cool to see. I need to make a trip back here. Literally not enough bag space in the game to take home a tier 6 loot. I'll take the club and then the first aid and then take that to sell. I don't really need these. Yeah, I don't think these crates, except for maybe the gun crates, I probably won't open these anymore. Because there's nothing we really need from, like, Mo Power crates or, like, any of the other crates. That was nice we found a Desert Vulture, though. I'm pretty happy about that. I mean, we could make a level 6 Desert Vulture, but that takes, like, 25 minutes, bunch of steel, and honestly, I'll probably just stick with the, level 5 until the playthrough is over. Okay, well, let's see about heading back. We probably won't make it, but let's just see about it anyway. Oh, no, we definitely won't make it back because, we got that from Trader Bob. Yeah, I've forgotten about that. Trader Bob's in the desert. So we're gonna head home. I'm gonna put up the stuff, and then we'll do the next quest in the morning. Okay, we're here at the Navinsgate Athletics Complex. Before I get started, I want to pick apart these cop cars. Make all the ferals and rats mad.
My senses have picked up something.
And we get iron crossbow and a bunch of 9mm. You'll love to see that. We are hungry. Let's eat the sham chowder. Oh, we actually didn't get a spawn this time. That's nice. We got more ammo and the baton parts, which I'm going to drop. Actually, I have plenty of handgun parts. I'm going to drop that as well. Okay, let's reset that. Lag spike, and let's do it again. We got him mad. We got him real mad. Over here, please. Let my stamina regenerate. All that good for now. Oh yeah, we definitely gotta spawn this time.
My senses.
On down. Oh, we got a rad soldier. That's not fun. Hate rad soldiers. He's still not dead. At least we got an extra loot bag with some 44 Magnum ammo. Some more Magnum ammo. Okay, the way I like to do this place. Clear these out. And then just trigger the spawns. Yeah, we're just gonna plant a bunch of grenades. Just summon all the screamers.
Incoming enemies. Prepare for conflict.
Do it again. Oh, they're out. Nice. That was beautiful. Gotta make sure I'm not outside of the little territory or whatever. But this is a good spot. Ow. Oh. Take a first aid kit. Oh, stunned. That's not good. Okay, for real. This whole no animation hit thing is obnoxious.
My senses have picked up something.
Now there's gonna be screamers.
Great to see you, Master.
Give me a honey. Then we'll eat an extra repair kit for that abrasion. Oh, and apparently I have a concussion. Nice. Oh no! Okay, I think the loot's okay. Okay, I didn't know. I think what happened was, since I have the full Magnum set, I shot a zombie in the face and it, penetrated. Hit exactly the wrong spot. But the loot's okay, so that's fine. Robotic turret. Then let's do the best. Oh, we got a level 5 robotic drone. Nice. We can put more mods on that. Auto turret bundle. Some extra ammunition. Nice. And then dart trap bundle. Not as exciting. And our bags are full already. How nice. That's a pretty good problem to have. Then we got some bullet tips. Then biker gloves. And then I'll just gonna dump that. And then I'm only gonna search these shotgun messiah crates. Except I probably won't even do that just because it's just not really worth it. Oh, learn to craft cigars. Yeah, we're a little late on that, but we just found the 2 best urban combat books in this episode. We didn't even get them until we were level 60. And we get tools, forge ahead, knife, and another dart trap bundle. And like 409 mil, which I think that might be the most ammunition I've found in a regular chest. Look, we have almost 3,009 millimeter. I started this with, I think, 1,200. We can definitely throw away. Over here. We can definitely throw away some of that 9mm ammo. Honestly, that was an insane loot haul. And then we can put away the drone. I'll figure out that drone later. And then we have a... Now we have a wandering horde. Mo, please. We have in the loot bag some wiring, some forged iron, and some 9mm. Did I get any more loot bags? I didn't get a single loot bag from doing that entire pull. In the prison, God, we got like 11 loot bags or something like that. I don't know, it's a very high amount. Oh, there's just a wild feral in there. He's not even part of the POI. Okay, I need to make these guys mad. Okay, we triggered them now. Oh, this is a tiny pole. Okay, let's get point blank so we can ignore his armor. I mean, yeah, we take a hit, but it does a lot quicker. Because shots fired at point blank range ignores armor. Those soldiers have a ton of armor. Finish off position. Alright, let's get these guys mad. You shut up down there. Okay, we're doing the stadium poll now. Oh, you're just... Where did you go? That spider just fell through the world. I really hope that doesn't bug out the quest.
Master, we are not alone.
Ah, you missed. I think this is... Oh, god damn it. Okay, I gotta pick it up. Try that again. Pull the pin this time.
Incoming
Oh,
enemies.
that's
Prepare
just
for conflict.
the worst combination. Two of them. That does nothing to him. Not part of the POI. Look, and there's Mo. When the rest of the Horde is trying to eat me, there's Mo, attacking a light pole.
Master, we are not alone.
Oh, that's the red spider that fell through the world earlier. Glad he reset. Oh, there's a bunch of them behind me. Oh, no. No, I hit you with the shotgun earlier. Can't run. Can't run after I hit you with the shotgun. That's the rules. I know, screamers. Figured there would be. Half the zombies aren't even functional right now. Blow me.
Prepare for conflict.
Oh, look, see, there's Mo again. Oh, bashing his head on a on whatever. You're not part of the POI. Ooh. Y'all are in the wrong spot again. Just had to be a rad cop. Ooh, don't get hit by spit. Hey, surely there's food in the kitchen. I mean, that's how kitchens work, right? Ravioli. But surely there's, like, more food, right? No, there never is. Okay, so we got some recog, and something I keep forgetting to do. I do that for the acid, which we did not get any that time.
Incoming enemy. Prepare for conflict.
We are down to our last spawn, and it's over there. Is it just 2 people here? Oh, that was it. Okay. Oh, we got a Shamway crate here. Perfect. We get blueberry pie. That's perfect. Alright, we'll just have to leave those behind, and then do we get any more recog? No, we get fort bites, 2 of them, which is very nice. What can I drop here? Drop that cobblestone. I was starting to run short on those fort bites. Okay, let's go to Hugh and see what he has for sale. Let's see about getting buying a schematic for the robotic drone storage space. That's a pretty commonly sold schematic. Or at least I feel like I see it every time. Okay, you don't have the robotic cargo drone schematic. Oh, you're selling a gyrocopter chassis for 40 grand, but, you know, obviously we don't need it. It's got a level 5 Desert Vulture for 24,000. Of course, we found our Desert Vulture earlier, so that will not be necessary. Here, have some money. What do you have for food? Absolutely nothing. Nope, Rex is going to be the food guy.
Open the dead.
Let's go turn that into Rex. Alright, Rex, what are you going to give me for all my hard work? We'll do a recog. I'm good on gas. I'll take a legendary part, I suppose. And then what other...
I got just the job for a simpleton like you.
See, I love Army Post 7, but it bugged out last time.
Half a zombie already.
And then do you have... Let's do...
Got shit for brains to...
I think for tomorrow, for the next episode, we'll do a couple of Tier 5 infestations, because I want to stock up on some more ammo. This week, before the Day 28 Horde, I'm going to do more preparation for the Day 28 Horde. I have I had a little idea that I want to do for Day 28, and I think it's going to require a lot of ammunition and a lot of grenades and just a lot of good stuff. But in the meantime, we're going to stock up on... Oh, we're not doing Stand Tower. No.
Listen up, jackass.
Waterworks.
I'm going to make you an offer.
Yeah, we can... I'll take a rematch for Diamond Men's Club. The last time we did that, it was completely awful.
Look, another...
I will take some fish tacos, and I will eat the fish tacos, and then vegetable stew.
All right, now that we're done doing...
Eat that, then get a couple of vegetable stews.
You're paying double.
Because I'm just too lazy to cook.
Cha-ching!
Okay, let's start putting stuff up, then. Crafting goes in there. A lot of my backspace is just dedicated to ammunition. And then I've decided I'm just putting the stuff in there, like those bundles, which is also going to include the security camera bundle. And then before last night, we crafted some contact grenades and some exploding arrows, which is very nice. And then we have more iron that we can melt. Put that on, put that in there. That fuel, and craft some forged iron. Because I want to make some more contact grenades, so we'll need plenty of forged iron. But anyway, that is going to do it for this episode. We got 2 Tier 6 infestations done. I absolutely love the stupid chaos of a Tier 6 infestation. Um, Tomorrow we're going to be doing some Tier 5s just to start collecting some more ammunition. And then probably later on we'll do some resource gathering, and then just continue doing infestations until we're ready for the day 28 horde. So I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.